Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I hope you are having a peaceful and wonderful day. Today I want to tell you the story of a quiet farm boy from Kenya who grew up running miles to school every day, and who eventually did something scientists once believed the human body could never do. Today his name is spoken with deep respect in running communities around the world. His name is Eliud Kipchoge. When people hear about marathon running, they often think of pain, exhaustion, and grueling endurance. But for Eliud Kipchoge, running became something more than a sport. It became a philosophy of discipline, humility, and belief in human potential. How did a boy who ran barefoot to school become the man who broke through a barrier once thought impossible? Let's find out together. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through stories, please subscribe to Everstory English. Your support helps us create more stories for your English learning journey. Eliud Kipchoge was born in 1984 in a small rural village in Kenya. His family did not have much money. His father passed away when Eliud was still young, and his mother, a schoolteacher, raised him with strong values of discipline and hard work. Like many children in his village, Eliud ran several kilometers to school every single day, not for training, but simply because it was the only way to get there. Without realizing it, running became part of his daily life from a very young age. As a teenager, Eliud began training more seriously, inspired by other successful Kenyan runners from his region. He joined a local training group, waking up before sunrise to run long distances across hills and dirt roads. Life as a young runner was not easy. Training was intense. Resources were limited, and success was never guaranteed. But Eliud approached running with patience and humility, values his mother had taught him since childhood. In 2003, at just 18 years old, Eliud shocked the running world by winning the world championship in the 5,000 meters, defeating far more experienced runners. It was an incredible debut on the international stage. Many expected him to dominate shorter distances for years to come. But Eliud's path soon changed direction. After years of competing in track events, Eliud made a bold decision. In 2013, he moved to the marathon, a much longer and more demanding race covering over 42 kilometers. Many wondered if he could adapt. He answered that question quickly, winning major marathons in Hamburg and Berlin within his first 2 years. His calm, efficient running style, combined with incredible mental discipline, made him nearly unstoppable. Eliud approached marathon running differently than most athletes. He trained not only his body, but his mind. He believed the marathon was won or lost in the mind long before the finish line. He often repeated a simple phrase to himself and his fellow athletes: "No human is limited." This belief became the foundation of everything he achieved next. In 2017, Eliud attempted something no runner had ever done. He joined a special project called Breaking 2, an attempt to run a full marathon distance in under 2 hours. A barrier many experts believed was physically impossible for the human body. Using a specially designed course, pacing team, and precise conditions, Eliud came remarkably close, finishing in 2 hours and 25 seconds. He was so close, yet the historic barrier remained unbroken. Eliud did not give up. 2 years later, in 2019, he tried again in a specially organized event in Vienna, Austria, called the Ineos 1:59 Challenge. On a carefully chosen flat course, surrounded by a rotating team of pacers, protecting him from wind resistance, Eliud ran with extraordinary focus and calm determination. As he crossed the finish line, the clock showed 1 hour, 59 minutes, and 40 seconds. He had done it. He became the first human being in recorded history to run a full marathon distance in under 2 hours. Although this specific run was not recognized as an official world record due to the specialized pacing conditions, it stood as one of the most remarkable athletic achievements in human history. Eliud proved that a barrier once considered a biological limit was, in fact, only a barrier of belief. Beyond this historic run, Eliud also won Olympic gold medals in the marathon at both the 2016 and 2020 Olympic Games, becoming one of the most decorated marathon runners in modern history. Despite his fame, he remained remarkably humble, still living a simple, disciplined life, training alongside younger athletes in Kenya, often sweeping the floor of his own training camp himself. So, what can we learn from Eliud Kipchoge? We learn that limits we accept as impossible are often only limits of belief, not limits of the body. We learn that consistent discipline, practiced quietly over many years, can eventually accomplish what once seemed unimaginable. And we learn that true greatness often comes not from arrogance, but from humility and patience. Today, as we learn English together, we are practicing the same values Eliud Kipchoge lived by. Learning a new language, like running a marathon, is not won through a single burst of effort, but through steady, disciplined practice over time. When progress feels slow, or fluency feels impossible, we can remember Eliud's simple belief: no human is limited. Every lesson we complete, every word we practice, brings us one step closer to breaking our own personal barriers. Thank you for listening to this story today. I hope you enjoyed learning about Eliud Kipchoge, and I hope this story helped you improve your English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and join us for more timeless stories on Everstory English. Until next time, keep learning, keep listening, and keep growing with Everstory English.